Hi all, I am explaining the topic microaesthetics. Microaesthetics in orthodontics is the consideration carried out during and at the end of the orthodontic treatment to enhance the cosmetic appearance by improving the smile of the patient. Microaesthetic appearance includes width relationship and golden proportion, height-width relationship, gingival height, shape and contour, connectors, embouchures, shade and color of the tooth. First one is width relationship and golden proportion. In frontal view, the apparent width of lateral incisors should be 62% of the width of central incisors. The apparent width of canine should be 62% of the width of lateral incisors and the apparent width of canine. This recurring ratio of 62% is referred to as the golden proportion. Next is the height-width relationship. The width of the tooth should be 80% of height of the tooth. Gingival height, shape and contour. Proportional gingival heights contributes to normal and attractive dental appearance. The central incisors has the highest gingival level. The lateral incisors is about 1.5 mm lower and the canine is at the level of central incisor. Gingival shape refers to curvature of the gingiva at the margin of the tooth. Ideal gingival shape for central incisor and canine is elliptical and oriented distal to long axis. Lateral incisors should be symmetrical, half oval or half circle. The most apical point of the gingiva should be located distal to long axis of maxillary centrals and canines, while in lateral incisors, it should be coincide with long axis. Next is connectors. The connector, also termed as interdental contact area, where the adjacent tooth appear to touch. Contact points of maxillary teeth move progressively gingival from the central incisors to the premolar area. Next is embouchure. The triangular spaces incisal and gingival to the contact area are called embouchures. Short interdental papilla result in an open gingival embouchure above the connectors, which are called black triangles. Black triangles affect the appearance of the tooth on smile. All actual and potential triangles should be noted during clinical examination. Next is shade and color of the tooth. A normal progression of shade change from midline towards posteriorly is essential for an attractive and natural smile. The major goal of orthodontic treatment for the great majority of the patient in recent years is dental and facial aesthetics. It reflects the patient's desire to improve their social acceptability and eliminate discrimination based on appearance, which greatly affect their quality of life. Thank you.